Entrance exams are part of life, and a couple of the more frequent varieties are SAT, the ACT, the GMAT, the LSAT, the IELTS, the NCLEX, and the listing goes on. It's true that every one of us has completely different study habits, and let us take a look at preparation. Irrespective of your style, it's extremely advisable that you just make the best of it. Let me elaborate. 1. Clearly know why it's essential to research. Understand and set a clear objective. How vital is it to join your most well-liked college? Are you sitting an examination to get employed? Be truthful to yourself. Pinpoint 2 or 3 causes that may inspire you to review properly and put you on track with an efficient research plan. 2. Take a look at the examination format. Now that you have got clear targets, it's time to focus your examination formats. Familiarizing yourself with the format in question is step 1 to examination preparation. 3. Pattern and previous exams. If you're serious about performing properly in your examination, you may be checking out previous papers. Take a look at the massive sources of previous and pattern papers. Search online for the pattern and take a look at the resources that you should utilize. 4. Check your examination scoring pattern. It's important that you check how the entrance exam scoring is done and take a look at how you are graded. For instance, when taking the ACT examination, there isn't any negative scoring. So it's fantastic to guess a solution you might be completely not sure about. Within the SAT, nonetheless, an incorrect reply might imply 1 negative marking. 5. Get additional coaching if it's essential. Hire a teaching associate or enroll in a training class. Learn the tips and other important tactics of your examination, and all of the assistance will profit you instantly. Now that you know the basics, you are ready for the big day. All the best.